Nuktak ok takche is Klingon for where's the bar. But we don't need a bar because we're making 3 home mocktails for Mr. Worf. And we are going to use the only Earth ingredient we possibly could for all 3. A true warrior's drink. Prune juice. For our first recipe, we're going to fill a shaker with ice. We are making the warrior spirit. Do not be afraid. So, for the warrior spirit, we need 2.5 ounces of prune juice, to which we will add the juice of 1 lemon. For those who want to measure, this is about 1.5 ounces, but sometimes if you want to be a true warrior, you have to learn to live dangerously. A dash of chocolate bitters, and that's kind of it. Give her a really good shake. Why am I still so bad at this? There we go. And to garnish, a little bit spicy, we're going to take a chili mango. We're going to cut a strip, and we're going to cut a notch into it so it can hang on our glass. There you have it. 1 warrior spirit. This is surprisingly good. Most of us do not even remember what prune juice tastes like, and it sure looks scary being kind of a sludgy brown. But it pairs really well with the lemon in this. And that makes it a kind of bright, refreshing. It's also got an earthy note that plays off the bitters shockingly well. This is an easy drink. 3 ingredients. Nice, light. Good way to get things going in the morning. All right, so for number 2, we are going to revisit another ingredient we've made previously. The spicy shrub. This is the spicy pineapple shrub, where we used a dry shrub to pull all the juice out of the pineapple rind. It's got salt, it's got jalapeno. It's going to be great for the Volcano of Kronos. To this, 1 full ounce of our shrub, 1.5 ounces of prune juice, a spoonful of maraschino cherry juice, and the juice of 1/2 of an orange. We give everything a nice stir, and this one we're going to do on the rocks. Now we're going to top it off with ginger ale. This will be about 2 ounces of ginger ale. And of course, we have to garnish this with the heart of our enemy. So. And look, I know he's supposedly a pacifist in this season of Picard, but I mean, come on. If I'm making Klingon beverages, I'm going to go full warrior here. So we're going to put 1 cherry and 1 prune on our skewer. And there you go. 1 Volcano of Kronos. The most amazing thing is that this flavor is reminiscent of Coke. That is probably your your number one first response when tasting this beverage. There's a lot more depth. It's a lot more interesting than just a glass of Coke. And there's definitely great body to this. But again, don't be afraid of the wrinkly black fruit. This is absolutely delicious. The Volcano of Kronos. I kind of feel like we've got to do something bloody. And really, we're just making a Bloody Mary without the tomato. So, 3 ounces prune juice. To which we're going to lighten things up with the juice of 1 lime. A dash of hot sauce. That's going to give us a bit of salt, so I'm not putting any salt in there. And if we didn't get any salt enough from that, we're going to get it from the W stuff. So 1 big dash of Worcestershire sauce. Some ice. And prune juice can be a little bit heavier on the palate than tomato juice, even with the lime. So we're just going to top off with club soda. And to make it nice and bloody, a drizzle of cherry juice on the top. And to garnish, 2 cherries. Nothing fancy. After all, warriors tend not to be for fine dining, you know? They're more of a get drunk and smash up the place kind of attitude. But then again, they do like Shakespeare, so they've got that going for them, I guess. Although the fact that they think it was originally in Klingon is, well, means their educational system needs some work. But there we go. 1 blood of my enemies. Ah. Oh, I forgot to taste that one. This is good. It's not as good as the other 2. I mean, you gotta try the Volcano of Kronos. It's shockingly good. But the blood of my enemies, it's a pretty refreshing drink. I would definitely recommend this if you're considering something a little bit better to deal with your next hangover. Because I think this one might help you a bit faster. You know, tail of the dog doesn't work all that well. But there's something to be said for some juices and electrolytes. If you've had a hard workout or a hard night out. So there you go. 3 mocktails from Mr. Worf, all based on the most hardcore of ingredients, prune juice. Not just for the elderly anymore. Hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you've enjoyed this session of Meet Me for Mocktails. We've got 2 more Picard-inspired episodes coming, but I'm having a lot of fun with these. I hope you're enjoying them. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe to the channel, give us a like, give me a comment below, and if you make a mocktail with some prune juice, let's say go for it. May you be victorious in all of your battles, and until next time, enjoy.